interest rates, inflation, and central banks. Welcome to FluentEase English. In this lesson, you'll learn key economic and monetary policy English words used in financial news. Listen carefully, repeat each word, and answer simple questions. At the end, you'll hear a short central bank mini-story, just like real market updates. Relax, listen, repeat, and speak English naturally. Let's begin. Interest rate, interest rate, interest rate. The cost of borrowing money. Interest rates remain high. Are interest rates rising? No, rates are stable. Inflation, inflation, inflation. The rate at which prices increase over time. Inflation is easing gradually. Is inflation under control? Yes, inflation is slowing. Central bank, central bank, central bank, an institution that manages monetary policy. The central bank held rates steady. What does the central bank control? Interest rates and liquidity. Monetary policy, monetary policy, monetary policy. Actions taken to control money supply and inflation. Monetary policy remains tight. Is policy tightening or easing? Policy is still tight. Rate hike, rate hike, rate hike. An increase in interest rates. Markets expect another rate hike. Is a rate hike likely? Yes, it is possible. Rate cut, rate cut, rate cut. A reduction in interest rates. Investors are pricing in rate cuts. When will rate cuts happen? Possibly next year. Tightening, tightening, tightening. Reducing liquidity to control inflation. Financial conditions are tightening. Why is tightening needed? To fight inflation. Easing, easing, easing. Increasing liquidity to support growth. Policy easing may begin soon. What does easing support? Economic growth. Yield, yield, yield. The return on a bond or investment. Bond yields declined. Why are yields falling? Rate cut expectations. Price stability. Price stability. Price stability. Keeping inflation under control. Price stability remains the main goal. Why is price stability important? It supports long-term growth. Rates and inflation. Outlook. Global markets are closely watching interest rates as inflation shows signs of easing. The central bank has kept monetary policy tight, signaling that another rate hike remains possible. However, investors are increasingly pricing in future rate cuts as financial conditions continue tightening. A shift toward policy easing could push yields lower in the coming months. For now, policymakers stress that price stability remains their top priority. Excellent work. You just learned important economic English words like interest rates, inflation, and monetary policy. These terms help you understand central bank decisions and market movements. Listen again, repeat often, and build confidence step by step. Subscribe to FluentEase English for more clear and practical English lessons. See you in the next video.